Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys 3 reasons why you should not buy the iPhone 13 mini. So let's start. So reason number 1 is the battery life. So the battery life on the iPhone 13 mini is just really incredible. It can last you the whole day and you won't need to charge the iPhone. So if you're looking for a phone that you don't want to last the whole day, then the iPhone 13 mini is not for you. You should probably go check out another phone or an older generation iPhone that maybe doesn't have an amazing battery life that can last the whole day. If you're a power user and you need to edit stuff and just have a great battery life, then the iPhone 13 mini is not for you, and you should be looking somewhere else for a different phone that cannot last the whole day. If battery life, if battery saving and energy is really important for you. Next, of course, is the size. So the iPhone 13 mini, of course, is the smallest iPhone 13 in this year's lineup, and I think that there is going to be a turnoff for a lot of people, of course, because you'll be able to use it with one hand. So if you're carrying a cup of coffee or something, or you're just walking around and you just want to continue walking without having to slow down, then of course the iPhone 13 mini will help you get through that. You'll be able to use it with one hand. And if you're like me, of course, and you have small hands, your thumb will be able to reach the whole phone screen without any problems, so you won't have to stretch it out anymore. So if you're looking for a phone that you're not able to use with one hand, then the iPhone 13 mini is not for you, because it's just too convenient, of course, to use it with one hand, and you want to struggle a little bit, then maybe just look for the iPhone 13 Pro or a bigger phone out there that you'll have to stop and use with two hands. And so yeah, that's one of the main reasons why you should not probably get the iPhone 13 mini, is because of the size of the iPhone, and just of course the lightweightness and how you'll have enough room like on your bag. If you put your iPhone in the bag, or if you put your iPhone at the table, you have much more space for other stuff as well. So yeah, it's just, it's just one of those things that I think I found that it's not a good reasons to buy the iPhone 13 mini. Next, of course, is the power. So if you're looking for a powerful phone, then the iPhone 13 mini is for you. But if you're not looking for a powerful phone, then the iPhone 13 mini is not for you. Like the iPhone 13 mini comes with the A15 chip, which is the same chip that has all the newer iPhone 13s this year. And so that means it does not slow down, it does not lag. I could be editing videos, photos, everything like that on the iPhone 13 mini, and it will still be able to handle much more than that. So if you're not looking for a powerful phone like the iPhone 13 mini, then you should probably go check out maybe the iPhone 11 or maybe iPhone 10 or something like that, or even go a little bit lower than that, or maybe go check out an Android smartphone, an older generation smartphone as well, that is not able to handle a lot of stuff like the iPhone 13 mini, because the iPhone 13 mini is really powerful thanks to that A15 chip that comes included in this year's model of the iPhone 13. And so yeah, it's just those are the 3 reasons why you should not buy the iPhone 13 mini this year, is because of amazing battery life, great size, like you use it with one hand, and of course the power that it comes with inside, and that's built in thanks to the A15 chip, and it doesn't slow down or anything like that. And here's a bonus one of another reason why you should not buy an iPhone 13 mini, is because it's made by Apple. Like if you don't want to receive yearly updates with great update and great support, then yeah, you should not buy this phone with this year. Maybe you should wait next year for a better iPhone or something like that. But other than that, you should probably go look somewhere else, or maybe look at an older generation of the iPhone if you're not looking for these amazing qualities on the iPhone 13 mini. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did, then please do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.